Alright, let's break down the difference between the C major scale and the C minor scale, side by side. First up, the C major scale. It's probably the happiest, most straightforward scale out there. The notes are simple: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, back to C. No sharps, no flats, just the white keys on a piano. When you play it, it feels bright, open, like the musical equivalent of a sunny day. Now let's look at the C minor scale. Here's where things get a bit moodier. The natural C minor scale is C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, back to C. Notice those three notes: E flat, A flat, B flat. They're the ones that give minor scales their darker, more emotional sound. So what's the big difference? It's all about the third, sixth, and seventh notes. In C major, you've got E, A, and B. In C minor, those become E flat, A flat, B flat. That tiny shift changes the whole vibe, from happy and uplifting to something a little more dramatic, or even mysterious. If you're playing around on a keyboard, try switching between the two. Major for that feel-good energy, minor for when you want to add some depth or tension. So next time you're writing a melody or just noodling around, remember, a few notes can totally change the mood. Give both a shot and see which one speaks to you.